So what you can also do using DeepSeek is go ahead and generate out HTML codes as you like. So for that, I'm just going to go around and say generate an HTML document with, let's say for example, with description on the benefits of online learning, which is formatted beautifully right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this in. So once I go ahead and send this prompt to DeepSeek, then what happens is that it'll process it and then it'll generate out a HTML code, as you can see right here. So it started writing out the HTML right here, the head, and it started defining out the style as well. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while for this to finish. So you can see that it is adding in background color and footer and everything else right here. So now you can see that it has started writing out the content over here as well. So you can see that it takes some time right here, just like this. So I'm just going to skip to the part where the generation gets completed. So over here, you can see that the code generation has been completed right here. And if I were to go ahead and click on run HTML, then you can see that this is what it generated right here. So you don't need to go ahead and download the HTML and save it out. You simply see the preview right here. And this is how it would be if you were to run it. So you can see that there's the benefit of online learning, unlock the potential of education from anywhere, anytime. And then you see things like why choose online learning, and you see everything arranged out beautifully just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the HTML code generation feature inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you found this video useful, and be sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to follow us along for more videos like these. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.